So yeah, essentially this previously was a deck all the way across the back side of the house. The above section here was just a patio cover. So half of it we turned into a 2-story room addition, roughly 800 square feet of an addition. And then we fully closed in. The patio cover was not solid before, now it is solid. So they have a completely dry deck on the second story over here. This whole section of the house over here, it had a deck that walked around all the way to the master, so that's getting removed. The siding above is going to get taken down, and we're going to stucco this whole front side of the house. So at this point of the job site, the roof has been dried in and roof tile is almost finished being installed. The exterior is dried in. Fire sprinklers inspection just passed today, so we're good to start insulating and drywall tomorrow. And then next week, after drywall's done, we'll be doing some painting, and then the kitchen cabinets will start going in. So we're pretty much at the home stretch on this project. Yeah, so this was the old stairwell previously to the room addition. So the front door actually was right where the stairs currently are, the new stairs. Then we added this closet here. And then this is where the addition started essentially from here. This used to be the back side of the house, right where these stairs currently are. That used to be the front door. The fire sprinklers that are going in, but that's kind of what the channels cut out of the drywall are for, was to run the fire sprinkler system. And then here, this is part of the room addition. So this concrete slab was, poured for the room addition. So this part of the concrete is all brand new. And then this is an office that's gonna have a full bath inside of it. Essentially kind of where he's standing now, that used to be the old stairwell. Those walls were shaped like a horseshoe. So these two rooms were separate from each other. So once we got rid of that stairwell, replaced these ceiling trusses here, it opened up this entire room so that it's one big open concept space. And then where we're standing right now is going to be the new dining room. There's going to be a large freestanding island in the middle of the kitchen, all new kitchen cabinets. And then we framed out a new pantry that's going to have a door and kitchen cabinets inside.